This Arduino demo is with using a push button with and without the debounce function. This is a simple reference button circuit which is put together. Basically, there is a connection from the 5 volts from the Arduino board to the button, and the other end of the button through a resistor is connected to the ground. A resistor is very important because when the button is closed, we do not want a short between 5 volts and ground on the Arduino board, as it may damage your board. When the button is closed, a high voltage will be sent to the D2 pin, which will need to be configured as a digital input pin on the Arduino board using the Arduino Sketch. So for this circuit you will need a push button switch, a resistor of 1 kilo ohm or more, some wires, and a Arduino Uno R3 board. The push button demo is done with the code which is modified version of the example code of the button sketch which is provided in the Arduino IDE. The first piece of code includes some initializing variables. So I'm initializing the counter value to 0. The button pin variable which relates to the D2 pin is set to 2. The void setup function sets up the serial interface on the Arduino, and I'm setting the baud rate to 9600. The pin mode of D2 is configured as an input. Then in the loop function, which constantly or continuously executes after it is programmed on the Arduino board, in that piece of code I am first defining an integer variable button state equal to 0. The button state reads the does a digital read or an input of the button pin, which is the D2 pin. If the D2 pin is 1, which means the button is pressed, then the counter value is supposed to increment by 1 and then print it out. So as you would expect, on one press of the button, the counter value should increment 1 time, and the counter when it is printed out should increment in terms of 1. So let me show you the working demo on the Arduino kit, how it is and why it is faulty. So this is the piece of code that I just showed you. I'm going to first verify the code. It is compiling, and then I upload the code to my Arduino Uno, which is on the COM3 port. So my code is done uploading to the Arduino board, and I will see the output on the COM port. As you can see, it is already scrolling, which means it's a spurious input. I am not even pressing the button yet. Now let me just stabilize this. So now it is stabilized. Let me clear the output, and you will hear a click. But you see, again it started scrolling, and there is just a lot of spurious input, and this is not really when I'm pressing the button. So it is all bad. Basically I don't want it to work like this, and it is all faulty. Even under a good, sometimes when after I turn on the board, it works fine, and on one press I could still see it incrementing by 50 times or so. Okay, so see, it stopped after so many times. So all this is faulty behavior, and I want to avoid this, and so I will show you the debounce function which is set up.